Take a ride in the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.